eager for, eligible for, embarrassed about, at, engaged in, engaged, to, enthusiastic about, envious of, equal to, equipped for, equipped with, equivalent to, essential for, to, evident to, excellent at, excellent for, excited about, excited by, at, experienced in, faithful to, familiar to, familiar with, famous for, fed up with, firm with, fluent in, fond of, fortunate in, free for, free from, of, friendly to, friendly with, frightened of, full of, furious at, about, furious with, generous with, in, gentle with, good at, good for, grateful for, grateful to, greedy for, guilty of, feel guilty about,